Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install golang, that is Go programming language 1.19 from zip archive on Windows 11 operating system. So here you can see that I already downloaded Go 1.19.8 as a zip archive file from Go website. So let me open the archive. Okay, this is the content of the archive. Let me extract to one directory. So extraction completed. So here you can see it was extracted. Let me rename the directory. So I am renaming the directory for my convenience, because I will be install multiple Go versions in same operating system. So I am renaming the directory to Go 1.19. So this is the directory structure of the Go 1.19, and this is the bin directory. So you can navigate the directory structure. Okay, now next step what I am going to do, I am going to add the Go bin directory to the Windows path variable. Okay, so right click this PC, properties, advanced system settings, so environment variable, so edit the path variable. So now here I am going to add Go 1.19 bin directory, so that all the executables will be available in Windows path variable, and Go programming language also will be available in Windows path. Okay, now I am going to open the command line. So before open the command, this is my directory contains Go examples. I am going to execute one of this Go program to show you how to run Go. Okay, let me open the command line. Okay, Go version, yes. So Go installation is successful. Now I am going to show you how to run the Go program. Okay, so Go installation is successful. Now let me show how to run the Go program. Go run. Let me show 2D array example.go. Let me execute this 2D array example.go. Yes, I can able to run the sample Go program, which means that Go.1.19 installation from zip file on Windows 11 operating system is successful.